Good morning. Wife being eyeballed by someone else? Solution: kick him in the nuts. Buddy won't pay back a loan? Solution: kick him in the nuts. Boss demanding overtime? Solution: kick him in the nuts.
No! Please no!
During mating season, energetic bighorn rams gather in the Rocky Mountains. Nut kicking is the first round of male confrontations. Any male who's been kicked knows this particular pain all too well. The victorious ram in the first round moves on to the next stage of combat. The massive impact force from their clashes can even be felt as far as 3 kilometers away.